Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Irresistible Chic channel. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, or if you're a return viewer and you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if you're one of my wonderful subscribers, thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. This is my second video in my calendar series. In my first video, I explained how I ran across these beautiful calendars in 2020 at the Dollar Tree. I purchased 11 of them. That was all that I could find. And I hadn't decided exactly what I was going to do with them. So 2021, after watching so many wonderful videos, I decided I was going to create placemats out of these beautiful calendars. So I have allowed each placemat to be the star of the show, or should I say, the star of the tablescape. I always use clear dishes so you will have an accessible view of the placemat. My napkins came from Favormart. The napkin rings came from the Dollar Tree and I added the bling wrap. The glasses were from Z Gallery. All of the pink roses were from the Dollar Tree. You can also substitute the artificial flowers for live pink roses. The cylinder vases were from the Dollar Tree. And because I'm known as the eclectic designer, I used my vintage vases, the vintage dinner bell, the salt and pepper shaker, and the toothpick holders. Again, this is my second video in my calendar series, and I so hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And once again, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.